guys. Today I wanted to talk about my 5 zero waste or low waste swaps that are super relevant in my life during quarantine. So what I mean by zero waste swaps, when I first started looking into how to become more environmentally sustainable, there was this huge community of people who were promoting this zero waste life. As I've gotten to know more about this community and this movement, everyone's kind of coming to terms that 100% zero waste is not really possible in this world, and especially at this time. But I wanted to talk about these swaps that you can make in your life that I use all the time and I think are really great, and they're some of my favorites, so let's get into them. So the first one is toilet paper. So this was probably the first thing I kind of panicked about when I was trying to become more sustainable. I was like, what should we do about the toilet paper? I came across, after some research, this awesome company who gives a crap. They make this toilet paper that we have out of 100% recycled paper. 50% of the proceeds go towards building toilets. They're totally awesome. You can either get 100% recycled paper, toilet paper, or you can get it out of bamboo. All of their packaging is plastic free. So each individual toilet paper roll is wrapped in this paper. The box is just a words, oh my god, is a cardboard box that can be recycled. You can do a subscription and they drop it off right at your door, and yeah, we love it so far. Number 2 is wax paper. No. Are they wax paper? I use these every day. You think I know what they are. Okay, they are wax cotton wraps. So I have a couple that are homemade. These are just made out of cotton, and this one is at the end of its life. I want to try and revive it by putting some more wax on it. Or you can also put them in your recycling. You can strip them up and put them in recycling, or you can cut them up and make fire starters out of them. This just has vegan wax on it, and I have also some that are actually beeswax. Unfortunately, I do find these are a lot better, the ones that aren't homemade, but I'm never going to stop trying to have a better solution. The thing that I love the most about these is that they keep your food for so long. It's mind-blowing, and I highly recommend. I know lots of places are now selling them, but you can also try to make them at home. Third, a safety razor, which actually, I don't think this is a safety razor. This is just a, anyway, this is a stainless steel razor. This one actually has a pivot, which is really nice. I came across this in basically my first purchase of sustainable swaps, and I was kind of embarrassed at the fact that I didn't even think back. I was buying a disposable razor, using it a couple of times and throwing it away when these have been around for so long. I felt dumb. I'm never gonna have to buy another one again unless it breaks. This can be recycled because it's stainless steel. So when I actually bought this, it took me so long to figure out how to put the blades in. They come like this, okay? So basically twist this to loosen everything. So there's 1, 2, 3 sections. It does build up in here, so you definitely have to loosen it and clean it out, which I have to do. It's one of the best decisions I ever made. And then you get this pack, if you go with this company, Leaf, you get this pack of 40, I think, and each one is 2, and it takes 3, but you basically just fold. Okay. You have to basically fold it in half, and it has a little breaking point, and they snap, and then you can slide these in. Perfect. Then close it. They did a really good job with this design. It's really easy to hold. It looks awesome. They come in some awesome colors, and don't be intimidated because this one's super easy to use. Just do what you normally do, yo. The fourth one is super exciting, and I've wanted to try this for a long time. It's just a life-changing product. They have really done an awesome job. It's completely plastic free, just cardboard that you can recycle, and they come with these strips here. You just rip one and put this in your washing machine, and that's it. Like, how easy is that? These ones are also, I think, let me see, fragrance free. But I thought it'd be fun to add some essential oils just to try it out. So I added some tea tree one time, or peppermint, just onto the strip and dropped it in, and it was really nice. Super subtle, but if you are somebody that likes the scented, they might actually sell scented, but I did not see them where I purchased them at our health food store. But yeah, this is totally awesome. 32 loads, and it couldn't be simpler. Like, wow. Yes, this is wine. But it's past, don't have a watch. Pretty sure it's past 6. And is anyone else having like this kind of a weird sleeping pattern? This morning I woke up at 4 o'clock and was wide awake, so I got up and just started like doing dishes, as one does, and cleaning my fridge, as one does. And yeah, here we are. I've taken 2 naps and now it's wine time. Perfect segue, dishes. This is my newest swap. I recently found this awesome product, Live for Tomorrow, at our natural food store. So this bottle is a concentrated version of dish detergent. It uses 50% less water than normal detergents, so you just need a couple pumps. This one's in the scent grapefruit, smells awesome but not overpowering, and not tested on animals, biodegradable, plant mineral-based ingredients. All you have to do, so you purchase this once, or you could actually bring your own container. Basically, you just bring this in, you fill it up, they just weigh it. You can even bring it in, like right now we have about this much left. Stop by, fill it up, only pay for what is there. I'm just super happy about finding this. Yeah. So anyway, those are my 5 zero waste swaps, low waste swaps, whatever you want to call them. Finding more sustainable ways to switch out items that are normally disposable in our life. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite or most relevant swaps are during this quarantine, or what you're trying to do to limit your environmental footprint in this time. Keep in mind, the most important thing is to use what you have, so don't just go throwing things out before you use those up. Yeah, don't stress too much about the fact that it's not possible to completely be waste-free in this time. We just have to do what we can. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.